How to send photos and videos on Zangi Messenger. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send photos and videos on Zangi Messenger. In order to do so, first of all, open your Zangi app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home screen. Here, you will need to go to the chat section where you'd want to send media. Tap on the chat from this chat list. Once you open the chat page of the person you would like to send the media, here at the bottom left you will be able to locate the plus icon. Simply tap on it and then you will be able to see different icons. From here you will need to now choose whether you want to send a photo or video. You may also select media from your gallery or capture new photos, videos directly from the application. Here, you may also tap on the clip icon to attach your selected media and then select multiple files at once. Here, I'm going to select a photo from my gallery. Simply tap on this gallery icon and then select a photo. Once you have selected a photo, here tap on the next option at the bottom right. Here, if you want to customize it further, you can use the pencil icon at the top right and use the features in order to customize it. And after that, tap on the send option at the bottom right. Now you'll be able to share the media with this recipient. Also note that Zangi allows you to send files up to 300 MB in size. The larger images are resized to 1920 to 180 pixels. And if you'd like to send a full resolution photos and videos without any size or quality reductions, then you will need to subscribe to the Zangi Premium. So by following these steps, you can easily send photos and videos on Zangi Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.